In this day and age, we cannot lead life without smartphones, tablets, smartwatches, PCs, and other portable electronics. Smartphones and tablets have become an integral part of business while also becoming an important part of our daily lives. All these technologies require charging them to use. Unfortunately, all these devices require different ports and cables, making them hard to manage and carry around, as well as cluttering the workspace. Erinomeinen has the perfect solution to manage charging on the go. This device contains 6 different ports for all your portable electronics. The device is so compact, it is the same size as a regular credit card, with a thickness of only 8 mm. This allows you to easily store and carry around in your wallet. In addition to charging cables, there is also an eject pin, so you are able to swap SIMs on the go. It is also able to function as an iPhone stand.